We wanted to introduce something today to everybody who's ever seen a SpaBerry that they may not have really considered before. SpaBerry has been extremely successful, and one of the biggest reasons is when they come by, people come by a booth or a trade show, come into a showroom, they go anywhere, and you know what they see? They see something that's so different than anything they've ever seen before in the hot tub industry. First of all, this is not a big square box full of jets sitting out in your backyard. It's not a wood side, it's not a fabric side, it's not a fake wood side, it's not a fake rock side. When people asked us to build this, they wanted a certified premium built hot tub that would withstand the elements, something that was easier to take care of. But you know what they said? They ultimately wanted something that was beautiful. Something that was architecturally designed, something that had some thought behind it versus just building a wood frame and slapping wood panels or fake wood or fake rock. So when we designed SpaBerry, we had to incorporate something new, a new design difference. People today are adding color to their backyard like never before. If you go back 30 years, you go into the home and you know what you would see? You go into a show home and everything's eggshell white. It's not today. The washers and dryers are red. The KitchenAid Mixmaster on the counter is red, right? They've got greens, they've got blues, they've got marbles. Everything is adding color to our life. We're adding textures to our life. The design architecture in spas has not changed since day one. Everybody keeps doing the same thing. Well, at SpaBerry, this is certified premium built. And one of the design features that I'm going to show you today is why. You will notice that normally in a hot tub, they cut the shell off here and they throw all that acrylic away. Of course, we paid for the acrylic because then we added a wood frame, put the wood panels, the fake wood, the fake rock on it. And you know what? At the end of the day, it's just a big box full of jets. They all look the same no matter whose you buy, until SpaBerry invented Unibody construction. One solid piece of seamless acrylic. Remember something. When you go in a hot tub, you fill it with water. Water's 10 pounds a gallon. That's a lot of weight in there. And then you get the bodies of the people, more weight. The shell is the strongest part of any hot tub. It holds the weight of the water and the weight of the people. And we've been cutting off all that strength for years and throwing it away and adding more expense to this. It just didn't make sense. So we've included that strength, incorporated it right from inside to the top, all the way down to the floor. Now you've got that strength and that durability. Here's the beautiful part too. There's no waxing, there's no polishing, there's no sanding, there's no staining. This is Unibody construction, certified premium built to withstand 72 below. I want you to think of something, that when you have wood panels, there's little air gaps. And what happens is cold air gets in and warm air gets out. So you know what happened? It costs you more to run. With the Unibody construction, they're completely seamless. There's nowhere for the cold air to get in or the warm air to leave. So not only do you have something that's beautiful, but something that's going to last longer, something that's easier to take care of. Any damn cloth, wipe it off with a microfiber cloth, spray it off with a hose. Again, no waxing, no polishing, no sanding, no staining. And I want you to take a particular look at this. The design lines that are incorporated here, this idea here came off of the back window of a 1969 Corvette. Form fitted beautifully, and we've incorporated the head mounts. The headrest here is incorporated right into the hot tub. Okay, it's molded in. There's no foam pillows to fall apart, none of that. These are ergonomically designed to the nth degree. At SpaBerry, we take all of our designs, we put them into a computer-aided drafting system, a CAD system. We take 105 measurements of the human form, male and female. And that's how these seats are designed. These are, quite frankly, the most comfortable designs in the world when it comes to a spa. When you're gonna spend your hard-earned money on a hot tub, you want something that's not only gorgeous to look at, you want something that's easy to clean, that's built to withstand 72 below, because you could be in the coldest climate. If you're in the hottest climate, they're good to 60 degrees Celsius above, 72 degrees Celsius below. Absolutely gorgeous when you really consider the design lines. This is our #1 selling model, the SB5. Absolutely incredible. We incorporated inset steps into the outside, and those are secured, as you'll notice, right, with stainless steel screws all the way around. Looks absolutely beautiful. When we evolved from this, we went into our latest design, the SB6, and you'll notice here we've incorporated right into the shell a subway tile exterior and subway tile interior. Absolutely stunning. You can literally pick whatever color you want within what we've offered. It gets formed over, vacuum formed over that mold, and comes out in this spectacular look. Less maintenance, less energy costs, longer durability, built to last a lifetime. The beautiful part about this is this looks like no other spa. You'll notice that the badging on here, SpaBerry badging. On this one here, it lights up, right? LED lighting, LED lit steps on both units, LED lights on the inside. This gorgeous look is available in 6 different designer colors that are meant to complement your home. No wood-sided spa complements the side of your house. We don't have a lot of wood houses out there anymore, right? And you know what's interesting to me? This is the evolution of a hot tub. SpaBerry has created an evolution, or if you will, a revolution. Do you remember 20 years ago, we had foams that were hanging off the wall with a big 30-foot cord on them, and this is what we use now. Join the evolution, join the revolution. SpaBerry Unibody Construction. Talk to you soon.